This tutorial will show you the best free cloud storage for photos online completely for free. If you like what you see, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel with all notifications. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. Basically, I have a window and I'm going to type in the search engine this Trello.com. This may be similar to other videos, but in my opinion, this is one of the best places for free cloud storage for images, pictures, and photos. Okay, so once the Trello website has been opened up and loaded, as you can see, this is what it looks like over here. You want to basically scroll up, and on the top right hand screen, you want to click login or get Trello for free. And again, this is a free feature, so you can basically sign up with your email address. You can sign up with Google, Microsoft, Apple, or Slack. Okay, so now once you have successfully signed up for Trello, you will see here that you have a couple options on the left hand screen. You have boards, you have different templates that you can choose. As you can see, we have a whole list over here. Let's say we want an education template, which is the third option. Let's say I'll click this first option right here, and basically you can click use template, and you can see you can create a board with this template, the title. So I will name this test number 2. You can keep the cards, keep the templates cards, and then click create. You can even change this, the visibility, so you can change it to private or the workspace. Another thing that you can do is under workspaces, click on boards over here. And as you can see, you have your own boards or all boards in this workspace. In this case, we have one we want to use. It's named test. So you can click on it. And as you can see, it will bring up your board. In the previous example, we basically created a list and we'll name this photos. And then you can click add a card and I can say picture number 2. Click enter and then click right here to edit. And then basically you can locate your picture, image, or photo and drag it onto Trello completely for free. As you can see, it's uploading the files. Now it has been successfully been uploaded. Picture number 2 and then click save. And now you have your image. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.